good evening! This is Clara Ambiciosa with
Thomas.
So for today's video mga kabalda, si Thomas ay mag-a-unbox ng aming in-order sa
Christmas decorations from
Temu.
Temu.
Okay, so
I just realized one thing now. We bought some electronics from Temu.
that only one siya.
You know, fire hazard. Just be careful. So, oh, yeah, this to hang on the tree. No electrics. Perfect to hang on the tree, yeah? The package has been crushed a little bit. I hope it works, still works. Oh, this works. Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
The flowers. I was a bit skeptical about this one because something tells me it's not probably not the best quality of it anyway, but let's see. Yeah, sure. They look better on these look better on the picture. Have you ordered it? That's fine. Yeah, this is to hang. This is to put around the tree, like a long line or something. This to hang around the tree.
Yeah.
This one was good though. I like this one.
How many?
Only one, I think. Oh, yeah, these ones are cool. Just as we have this to get on the tree. This is like several. We have these to put on the tree as well. Snowflakes. They are cool. Of course, star for the tree as well. And the last thing, these flowers. Right. Then you have the decorating LED lights. So it was only one electric thing, and that's good. Yeah, two of course, but yeah, that's cool. This you can hang down the railing here, down the window, and it has a remote apparently. That's cool. So this is the unboxing, I guess, of the Temu things. Yeah, stay tuned, I guess. Bye.
Our first Christmas tree. Hi guys! This is our first Christmas tree ni Toto. So, nag-decorate siya. Naglagay siya ng star. Ayan.
Okay, like this, perfect.
Okay, yay! Perfect! Ang star ng Pasko!
This is one.
Ayan mga kabalda, ito ang ano to man? Parang papel.
They are like that, so don't... Yeah.
I need the ano first siya, this one, the color green. Oh, this is only one?
Yeah.
I thought, oh my god, really?
You have to put on these.
What is this? Oh, there's a light
Oh,
also.
we have to maybe connect them, yeah.
It's not connect, put it here.
Yeah, but we do that after. First we hang
We
on.
need to put that one first so that we can hang this one.
Oh, but then we have to deal with this LED light. Oh my god.
Okay, mga guys. Oh my god, meron pa
I
nito.
thought it was a bit longer.
Yeah, I thought also.
Yeah.
Guys, oh, tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Diba, ang cute niya, ang liit lang. Oh, diba? Ang ganito guys, tatlo. And then, ito po, unbox natin na. Open na natin. Ouch. Oh my god, different. Tatlo.
Yeah, well, I had a feeling that wouldn't be.
Ah?
that decorated, those flowers wouldn't be.
Yung iba, maraming bunga. Tapos yung iba, konti lang. This one also. Yan siya guys. Parang natupi. Nayupi na siya. Oh. In-order ni Thomas to guys nung ano, December 9. You order this one siya da, right?
Oh.
December 9.
Yeah.
Oh guys, oh, di ba ang ganda? Oh, lagay ko to sa kusina. Ayan, di ba? Parang may ano din kami. May pa design sa bahay. Ay, na lang talaga. Oh. Cute, cute. Sabi niya kasi kung anong i-design namin. So, sabi ko yung ano. O, diba? O. Tatlo sila, guys. Tatlo. Hindi ko man alam kung magkano to sa pera natin. Uy, pero mura lang kasi. Di naman sa Temu. Parang nasa Shopee lang din. So, okay lang yan. Temu! Sa Norway! Ayan. Design lang ng mga dahon-dahon para Vongisho. Here.
Then you go through like this.
Yeah. The color green is very short.
That's fine. Then we just hang this around here.
So that they can see it.
And then we have it like hidden in there.
And then where's the ano? Open the light.
No, I have to put in batteries first.
Ah, there's no battery?
Not in that one.
Ah, okay. So we are the one. Oh my god, that's not nice.
It's Temu, you can't expect.
Temu more. Ah, we have. Oh my god, guys, tingnan nyo, guys. This is very nice,
Yeah,
guys.
but they are supposed to be on something else.
Oh my! I thought this is big.
But they are supposed to be on some of this package. I think it's this one. No, it's not that one. Or maybe that's this from that. Yeah.
It's just like this, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I can't take the blinking with epilepsy here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Why, it's so cute, Shadow. Need 2 batteries?
So.
Oh, it's beautiful. That's nice. Hi! Shout out to Nanay ni Remy. Shout out to Nanay ni Remy. Shout out
to Remy.
Mama ni Remy.
Mama ni Remy.
Auntie
Auntie
Marilu Ventura. Hi, Auntie. Thank you for watching. And to my mom.
How do you know they're watching?
It's because Remy sent a message to me that her mom is watching to us.
Yeah.
And you can watch shout out to my
extra
mom.
lights though.
Yeah.
It's nice.
It's nice, of course.
Doesn't
Say hi to my mom also. She's watching.
Hi, Mom.
And
How are you doing?
And Nanay Nonoy.
Noy.
Nanay Nonoy.
Nanay Noy. Hello.
Hello. They are watching.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yes. But if we need to put it here, Shada, so that it will...
No, but it's behind here.
Some of the lights is here. Oh, we need to put it here in this one. Oh.
You relax. Now
It's
you're
because we have
putting it all over, Mahal. Like this. Have it around there. You don't...
Just like this
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
Some of the there's no lights. We need to just like this also the lights.
No,
so
you
that
can't
will-
get that far around.
Why?
It's like this. Just have it like that. Don't mess with it.
Nawayay pa kami.
It will be on the top only. That's fine. You're like so. Oh, it has to be there.
Hindi pa supil isa. Wow, it's beautiful.
I like these
Shadow.
three things. These were actually cool.
You like that one?
Yeah.
I like this ribbon.
Ribbon.
Mm.
Then some on the ground as well.
I'll put here. Here. Oh, good.
Oh, hi, vi vaskar golvet. You know, I'm not hanging on this side because that's going to be on the inside, so we won't see it anyway. This is on the side, so you can actually see it.
Yeah.
No, hi, vi vaskar golvet och vi har burit.
Bolintikan lang. Hello, ganahan. Hello, it's so beautiful, guys. Oh, ano, guys. This one, oh, ribbon. It's so beautiful. Di talaga. I like it very much. Maliliit lang, maganda. Sana pag malaki. Mga maliliit lang kasi siya, guys.
So, hi guys! I-voice over ko na lang guys kasi mahaba-haba din tong aming video ni Thomas. Ayan pala ang first na Christmas tree namin ni Thomas dito sa aming apartment. At first time natin dito magpapasko sa abroad mga kabalda. So hindi pala tayo dito mismong apartment na mag-celebrate ng Pasko, kundi magse-celebrate kami sa ibang lugar ng Norway. Pupunta kami mga kabalda sa kanyang nanay doon sa may Trondheim. So, bali mga kabalda, ang Trondheim pala, yan ang the third biggest city in Norway. The main city or parang Manila natin sa Philippines ay ang Oslo. Yan ang pinakamalaking city. Siyempre, main city, ganito. Tapos, ang second na city na malaki sa Norway is Bergen, Norway. Tapos, ang third na biggest city mga kabalda, yun na ang kanilang sa lugar ng kanyang mama, kung saan siya lumaki. Doon sa may Trondheim. So, ayun mga kabalda, ayan, nag-order kami ng decoration ni Thomas. Alam nyo ba mga kabalda na ang Christmas tree na ito is binili niya pa nung matagal na, mga September ata. Nabili ni Thomas to, bali second hand lang ito na Christmas tree. Kasali na yung lights. Kasi sabi ko kay Thomas na wala talaga kaming Christmas tree na bonggang-bongga before nung maliit pa ako. So, sabi niya na pagdating mo dito sa may Norway, magde-decorate tayo ng Christmas tree. Gusto sana ni Thomas sa mga kabalda yung tunay na tree. Ayun mga kabalda, gusto ko din ng real tree. Kaso nga lang, marami kang kasi nalalaglag yung mga dahon. So, much better na tong ganito na plastic. Kasi nga, marireuse mo pa tong mga plastic na ganito. So, ayun nga mga kabalda, nagtutusok na tayo ng snowflakes dyan sa lamesa para ma-design na.
So, ayun nga guys. Ayun. Maganda to guys, snowflakes. Makuri kita magbuhat sang atin nga guys. Sang ating Christmas tree design. Kasi lagyan pa kasi itong dapat sila na maglagay para tayo na lang mag-design. Kasi tayo pa talaga ang maglagay sa buho. Ay, ambot na lang talaga Matakaan ko guys, tablog ko lamang rin niya. Charot lang. What pasensya. What pasensya. Yan, along ganda na niya guys. Aming Christmas tree. Akala ko gold ang motif namin. But red and gold dapat. Kaso bakit silver? Tama kaya in-order namin or nakalimutan ko lang na silver. May mga nadikit-dikit pa. Yan. Ay, siya. Ganda niya talaga sa personal mga kabalda. Ay, nalagay na ni Toto lahat ng mga reindeer. Ay, ito na pala mga reindeer. Reindeer ang ganda. Gusto niya matabunan itong lagay natin ito sa loob. Ayan. Tapos lagay dyan, Tapos ito, ilagay natin dito sa dito. Dito na lang. Ay, saan ba? Ayan. Diba? Sa harap maraming decoration. Pero sa likod, okay lang.
So, ayun nga mga kabalda, akala ko ang aming motif this year is gold and red. So, baka nakalimutan ko lang. Iba talaga dito mga kabalda, no? Kasi sa Philippines kasi may compare ko lang. September pa lang sa may Philippines is gumagawa na tayo ng mga decorations natin dito sa bahay, mga ganyan, mga Christmas lights, marami na. September 1 pa lang. So, dito sa ibang bansa or dito lang nga na-encounter ko sa may Norway, nagde-decorate sila ng kanilang mga Christmas lights, Christmas tree, December 1. Pagkatapos nun, kinukuha din yan nila agad pagkatapos ng Christmas at saka New Year. Kasi iba na naman yung ma-decorate nila sa January. Back to normal na naman. Minsan may mga birthday, kaya nila tinatanggal ang Christmas tree. So, ayan na mga kabalda, ang ating finished product. Charot lang. So, yun na ang ating final na design ng ating Christmas tree. Simple lang mga kabalda, pero okay na yan. Tsaka nagagandahan lang talaga ako sa kanyang lights sa mga dahon-dahon ng ating Christmas tree. Ayan mga kabalda, meron siyang silver, gold, pati may mga reindeer, snowflakes. Ayan. So, ayun nga mga kabalda, natapos na tayo sa ating Christmas tree. Andito na naman tayo sa ating Christmas lights. So, gusto siya ni Toto na lagyan na Christmas lights sa kanyang bintana malapit sa kanyang PC, mga kabalda. Ayan, kaya nag-order siya ng color blue. Gusto niya daw ng color blue. So, tinanggal niya muna yung mga kortina na yan. Ang maganda lang kasi dito kay Toto, mga kabalda, tutulungan ka niyan talaga. Hindi yung iutusan ka pa. Kung kaya niya lang naman, gagawin niya. Yan talaga ang maganda kay Toto. So, I'm so blessed na din, no, na hindi siya pala utos sa akin. Halimbawa na lang, pag maglaba yan, matik na yan, siya na talaga yan maglalaba. Pag nakaupo ako, tapos na yan maglaba, hindi yan magsabi na, oh, kunin mo na yan, isampay mo. Hindi yan siya ganyan, mga kabalda. Siya talaga ang kukuha niyan, at siya na ang magsasampay. Kasi sabi niya, kaya niya naman daw, bakit pa siya mag-utos? Diba? Maganda lang talaga pa. Basta na, ano lang talaga ako sa kanya. Bonggicious lang din talaga tong si Toto. Kasi tapos kapag mag-grocery kami, siya na din yan mag-a-arrange. Alam niyang may ginagawa ako. Hindi siya makatingin, mga kabalda ba. Minsan pinapagalitan ko lang din minsan kasi tinutulungan niya ako. Kaya ko naman naggawin. Alam mo yun, mga kabalda. Mas okay na din siya. Mas okay na din na tinutulungan ko din siya. Aba naman, syempre. Parang na-overwhelm lang ako sa kanya, mga kabalda. Hindi mo na siya mautusan, kundi kusa na niyang gagawin ba. Ayan mga kabalda, tapos na kami mag-decorate at sinayaw ako ni Toto. Yan talaga ang hilig niya, basta may music. So, ayan lang mga kabalda. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!